what you want to go ahead and do is turn on the ignition. Strip percent of any one of the. Welcome back to the Detail Garage. In this video, we're going to show you guys a quick tip on how to perform an AC flush to eliminate any bad odors from inside of the vehicle by simply spraying some of our air fresheners, which in this occasion we're going to use strip percent, or you can use any of our other air fresheners from our line. Simply what you guys want to go ahead and do is turn on your car to the ignition without the need of fully turning it all on. We want to put in the coldest setting, and we want to make sure that it's going to blow into our feet and into our nose. Another key component is gonna make sure they go into our AC system, and we're gonna keep on the recycle mode, which is gonna allow all the air to stay inside of the vehicle. Speed setting 5, and as you guys can see, it's already in our AC. We're gonna spray about 4 sprays into our vent. You guys will notice that in just a couple of seconds, all that bad odors from inside of the vehicle is gonna start eliminating, and it's gonna go ahead and get more refreshed throughout your whole AC system. If you guys like this video, comment, like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what other quick videos you guys would like to see with just quick tips like this one. My name is Hector. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you guys next time. Yeah.